What if a flawless Brazilian wax isn't just about creams? Imagine unlocking your body's natural healing through fasting. Today, we explore autophagy. This fascinating process can change how your skin recovers. Let's dive into cellular science to understand this better. Brazilian waxing creates micro-trauma on your skin. The delicate epidermis and hair follicles experience damage. This damage triggers an inflammatory response, causing redness and swelling. The speed of your body's natural repair determines how long discomfort lasts. Fasting can activate autophagy, your body's cleanup crew. When you fast, your body enters a recycling mode. This helps clear damaged proteins and waste from skin cells. By shifting focus from general health, we can target skin-level renewal. Periodic fasting reduces systemic inflammation. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and strawberry skin. Growth hormones spike during fasting, aiding collagen rebuild after waxing. Faster re-epithelialization returns your skin to a smooth state, quicker than traditional methods. To match your waxing appointment, follow strategic fasting timelines. Consider the 16 to 8 or 24-hour fast. These align with the peak inflammatory window after wax. Fasted states improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to the healing skin. Don't forget hydration and electrolytes to keep skin elastic. Consistent periodic fasting provides long-term skin benefits. It improves skin thickness and resilience over time. With repeated fasting, your skin becomes less sensitive to waxing. You strengthen your cellular barrier against mechanical stress too. In summary, periodic fasting unlocks the synergy between metabolism and beauty. This method offers a unique approach to post-wax care. Embrace fasting for optimal tissue repair and smooth skin. Ready to transform your post-wax routine? Consider incorporating periodic fasting into your care. Discover the magic of autophagy for beautiful, healthy skin. Let's revolutionize your skincare journey today. Like, subscribe, and unlock more science-backed skincare tips today.